I ain't think I'd get this far. I'm quite grinding. You did. They label me a real star. I never in my life think I'd get this far. I treat this shit like GTA.
Yo, what up YouTube? I'm at the Hot Boy Cam on YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be like a little mini vlog and shit. I ended up getting in touch with Shawty though from yesterday about the little date and shit. Had a little discussion. She talking about she enjoyed herself and all this shit. But I genuinely still don't know how to feel though. You know what I'm saying? She talking about I was talking shit in a video and all that. I got a big ass bump on my face, bro. That shit ugly. But yeah, she talking about I was talking shit and all that, but I don't feel like I was talking shit. I was just speaking my piece. You know what I'm saying? Cause I tried to reach out to her last night when I made it back to my to Alabama and shit. And she was talking about she was out with her friends and all that shit. Whatever. So overall though, man, like I told her, all that shit, I enjoyed your company, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, by us talking and shit, you know what I'm saying? I said, when we met up, the shit just didn't seem like, I'm not trying to say like excitement, but it just didn't seem like, overall, the energy wasn't there. I'm just gonna say that, like, it wasn't there, you know what I'm saying? And she talking about why, she said, how could it be like that when she wanted me to come down there? And I told her, I'm like, shit, overall, though, like, straight up, like, yeah, you want me to come down there, so I took the time out of my day to come be with you, to come spend time with you. And when I get there, it ain't click for real, you know what I'm saying? Like, I would have respected you way more when you telling me not to come, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could have saved myself a little trip, you know what I'm saying? But overall though, I ain't think nothing else about it. Like, I'm thinking shit was gonna be smooth, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. But shit, today though, I've been in the house all fucking day. It's just now 10 minutes after 6. I ain't wake up till like about a little bit after 1, maybe 2. I don't know. I've been asleep all fucking day. Got down to 8, a little Sunday dinner. Now I'm just out roaming. I ain't gonna be out too late though, cause I got somewhere to be tomorrow. So try to get back at a decent time. But in the meantime though, my hair look crazy. I ain't brushed my shit down and then I had a do-rag on. But in the meantime though, shit, I'm gonna try to get y'all some footage and shit, man. See what y'all get y'all some content and shit. I don't really know what's gonna be going on, so y'all stay tuned, and I'm gonna turn y'all back on when some shit poppin'. Alright, y'all. So I'm currently heading to what you call it? Something like a damn, I don't know, like a little meet or whatever. But I'm 8 minutes away right now. And yeah, shit. Approaching this shit, see what it's talking about. I've been seeing on Snap and shit, people been racing like dirt bikes and shit. So we're in the country right now, as you can see. And yeah, shit. My homeboys and them up here and shit, so see what this shit hitting on. But anyways though, goddamn, I ain't even gonna talk about it. Fuck, I ain't even finna discuss it. But yo, man, overall though, damn, can I please get the fuck over? Like, speed limit 45. Come on, man. But yeah, man, that shit like damn near 5 minutes away now. But yeah, man, anyways though, y'all, shit. I just want to talk to y'all real quick about some shit. I said I wasn't even gonna bring it up, but overall though, real shit. Don't take my last video the wrong way, especially what I said at the end, cause like, I love all women, you know what I'm saying? And I'm all about giving a woman a fair chance, you know what I'm saying? So like, please don't take that shit the wrong way. Don't look at it like, oh, he down as females and all that shit, cause I ain't that type of nigga, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't finna just kick you down type shit, like that ain't me. I'm just saying, like, overall though, like, I'm more of a genuine type nigga. Like, every female I had dealt with, you know what I'm saying, they, like, is you trying to go around me, bro? Look at this stupid bitch. Like, the fuck, this bitch done got right up on my ass like she wanna go around. But, yeah, please don't take that the wrong way, for real. Look, stupid motherfucker, man. All that shit for nothing, bro. Look at your ass whack. And I ain't like, hey, bro, this shit threw me way off topic. It seems like when it get hot outside, motherfuckers just act real deal ignorant. Like, for real. Like, motherfuckers drive crazy. Look, this motherfucker is not bullshit. Like, motherfuckers will drive crazy. Motherfuckers just, I ain't hell no. Like, I ain't for that shit. But, that's a nice ass house right there. But yeah, shit, anyways, I done got thrown off the top of this shit because I knew that motherfucker was gonna sit there and do that shit. But, shit. Yeah, please don't take that shit the wrong way though, for real. Like, that ain't me. Like I said, I love all y'all women out there that watch me, or whatever the case may be. It's just like, oh yeah, like I was saying, shit. I'm a genuine ass nigga. Every female I done dealt with, you know what I'm saying? 9 times out of 10 felt some type of way about me, you know what I'm saying? And that's cool. You feel me? Like, I'm a laid back, chill ass nigga. Like, I damn near give a woman the fucking world, bro. You feel me? Like, yeah, so don't let that last video damn near brainwash all about me. Cause that ain't me at all. But yeah, man, we're approaching and shit. I'm trying to see them, cause I feel like, from the looks of y'all, it look like there's a lot of folks out here. So I don't know if people like parking in the field or something, cause like I said, it is like we is in the country. But I don't know if people like parking in the field or something, or what. I don't even know what the fuck my homeboys in them at down here, but I'ma call one of them to see. And shit, we'll just walk over there with their ass. Try to get some little content and shit. Knowing me, bro, I'm late to the motherfucking party, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it really don't even matter for real. I'ma capture whatever I can capture, goddamn. But in the meantime, though, shit, I'ma turn y'all back on when I pull up, though. Yeah, I just pulled up. There's a lot of motherfuckers out here, y'all. I can't even count. But, I be playing music like I ain't gonna get copyrighted or something. But shit, I'm trying to see what the fuck going on though. Shit. Hold on, toggle that. Hey, I'm finna park, bro. I'm finna get out. I said I'm finna park. I'm finna get out.
Bet. You might have to go park down that street right there to the left and just walk.
Yeah, that's straight. Bet. But yeah, shit, I'm finna park somewhere. I should have parked right here about red ass. Yeah, this bitch is packed as fuck. I ain't finna park nowhere. I ain't finna get stuck though. That's one motherfucking thing. Then I gotta pee like a motherfucker too. I'm gonna park right here. This might be straight. For real. So, I'm park right here. Let's see what the fuck going on. But once again, I'm gonna cut y'all back on this shit once I get over that type shit. Bet, man. I'll be back. Bye. Big ass nigga be on them dirt heads. Yeah, they need to get them fucking. Yeah, that bitch give me that like that. Turn the bike and shit in the foot. What? I don't care. Oh. No. That nigga Red got the point. Oh shit. The camera got real fans on YouTube. I ain't gonna lie, I'm be one of them niggas in the back, like right there. No. We can give you some money. Yo, fact. What if I give you some? What if I break you off? I'm making ass. That's what they really be doing though. Yeah, I just don't. What they be doing though? I'm so sick of your ass. The bike is high! The bike is high! You got the back tire, right? You got the back tire!
tonight. You got to play hard tonight. Go, you. I gotta do a hit. I gotta do a hit.
Hey, so
Cameron don't look like that nigga said that he was the baby.
bro, get the fuck on. Can't be. You know we can't be fucked with, you feel me? We ain't 4 pockets full no more. We can't be fucked with, nigga. What they gonna be doing? That bitch right there so hard. Me. Oh, no, he ain't say shit. Alright, y'all. I done got y'all some footage and shit. Like I said, I was already a little late showing up. So I just got a little bit of footage that I could get from y'all and shit. Cause like I said, I think that shit started probably like about 4, 5, somewhere in there. I ain't get there till like 7:30. No cap. So yeah, man, I'm gonna load them clips on for y'all. Gonna try to get a little bit of that shit. And shit, that's it. Right now I'm at the gas station. Clean off my damn windows. Cause them bitches is dirty, bro. I stay in the country and shit, so you know, bugs and shit be getting on my shit. And for some goddamn reason, man, fucking birds love shitting on my motherfucking car. And I hate that shit. So now I be having goddamn bird shit on my car and shit. Knowing I just got a car wash, like, that'd be the crazy shit. But, yeah, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little country footage, what them boys be doing down there. It's, to be exact, for the ones who watch me, not just in Alabama, it's in Leeton, Alabama. Yeah, I think they do that shit mostly like on Sundays and shit like that. So the shit just have something to do. Talk shit. They was racing cars at one point, I believe, but I don't know. But them niggas, they got them things out there. I get them that. Them country boys got them shits out there. But yeah, man. I'm finna take my ass to the crib because I'm tired as fuck. Right, y'all, use 89 for your car. It's the best shit for your fucking motor. No matter what type of car you got. But, 89. I'm tripping. But yeah, use 89 for y'all shit. But anyways, though, shit. Like I said, shit, I'm finna go to the crib, goddamn. And take my ass a shower, wash these little clothes, and call it a night. Copyright. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all though for tuning in. I know this wasn't much, you know what I'm saying. I tried to get, you know, whatever footage I could get, but like I said, I showed up late, so that was my apologies right there. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, you feel me? And make sure y'all go watch my last video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned for more videos. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment, hit me up on my socials. Let me know what more videos y'all want me to do or drop or whatever the case may be, whatever. And shit, we'll see y'all next video, man.
They know that I'm a hot boy. They label me a real star. I never in my life think I'd get this far. I treat this shit like GTA. I squeeze all on the